Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can make phone calls using Siri on your iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Before using Siri, I suggest to see if you have this feature active. To do this, you need to go into your phone settings. Scroll down until you find the Siri section. Click on it. Now we just need to make sure that we have Siri active. To do this, all the buttons should be green in color. There are several ways that you can use Siri. For example, if you have the feature enabled that makes you Siri talk. For example, like this. Hello Siri. And as you can see, Siri appears right away. So you can give her commands with your voice. Or some people prefer to use Siri thanks to the block button. You can do that by pressing the button a little bit. And as you can see, Siri appears as well. So once you're sure that you have Siri active, everything is fine with the settings. In order to make a phone call using it, you'll need to call Siri first, and then you'll need to command her, so to speak, to do what you need to do. Siri, call Paulina. Making a call to the contact Paulina. As you can see, after saying that, Siri started dialing the contact. This is the very simple way you can make phone calls using Siri on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you, was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. See you soon, friends.